We're talking about graphic design. We'll be looking at what graphic design is. I need you to understand the concept of graphic design so that it will help you in working with Canva. For those of you that are not familiar with graphics, it's going to help you to understand graphics and make full use of the app and probably create better graphics. So in understanding graphic design for this class, you need to have in mind creativity, styling, and image. Now, for every graphic designer, for every graphic you want to design, you must be creative. You must have a mental picture of what you want. You have to have a mental picture of what you want to create, the message you want to pass out in graphics. Now, you may be seeing, or you have been seeing, different graphics on the internet. In your phone, you have different graphics, and some of them you actually save them because you love the graphic and the graphical work. So in being creative, the first thing you need to do is to have a mental picture. Every graphic designer must be creative, must think outside the box. But don't forget that practice makes perfect. As you practice, you will perfect. Then another way to help your creativity is to look at other beautiful designs and borrow a leaf. The designs that others have done, those beautiful graphics design that you've seen, you can borrow a leaf from it and try to replicate what they have done. Then another aspect of graphic design you need to understand is styling. When you are designing your graphic, you need to understand styling, and this styling has to do with the font size, the text color, whether it's going to be italics or underlined. And just like I said earlier, it all comes with your creativity. It all comes with the mental picture that you have. Graphic is all about passing a message out there. So you are passing it out in colors and in pictures. So you must represent your message very well. Sorry, there is a typographical error here. So all I'm trying to say is that your colors and your image must introduce your message, in your design. So it is very, very important. So with these three things, creativity, styling, and images and background, you will have a better view of what graphic is all about. you need to come to Play Store, search for Canva. Then when you see Canva with this logo sign, then you download and install. I already have it downloaded and installed in my phone, so I don't need to download it again. So at this point, when you have downloaded it, all you need to do is to open the Canva app and create an account. Or if you already have an account, then you need to sign in. So let's go over to the Canva app. Canva app has finished installing. I will locate my Canva app. This is the Canva app. Then you can sign in with Facebook or with your Gmail, or you can continue with email if you have already created an account, or you want to sign in or sign up with your email. So right here I will enter my email, then I'll click on continue. Once I enter my email, it will detect that I already have an account. Then they will ask me for my password. I will enter my password and my Canva app will be open for me to use. So but if I don't have an email, if I've not signed up with them, and I enter an email, they will ask me to create an account. So let me show you what I'm trying to say. Let me use my sign up at gmail.com. Now I'll click on continue. You see, create a new account. The app has dictated that I'm not an existing user. So but since I'm an existing user, all I need to do is to enter my email, and I'll be asked to put my password. So at this point, you put your password and you will log in. So I'll be pausing this video for me to put my password. So I've entered my password and I'll click on login. Can you see my Canva app has opened? So once it brings me to this place, it means I have successfully logged in, or I have successfully signed up. If you sign up on Canva, they will send you an email verification for you to verify your account, and after you have done that, you can now sign in and it will bring you to this point. So thank you and see you in the next video.